Welcome to Ace Wizard, the latest software approved by MHCLG for the completion of TM44 air conditioning energy assessments. Designed by energy assessors for energy assessors, we'd like to show you just some of the tools available in ACE to help you produce the most comprehensive and accurate reports on the market today. But the ACE reporting system isn't just about the assessor. The end client can also review the data from within ACE, analysing the recommendations made by the assessor. In addition to the PDF reports, ACE provides a direct link to the certificates held on the government register. So just how does ACE speed up the report writing process for the assessor? ACE is built on a large and validated air conditioning condenser database. Using this database allows the assessor to build a detailed and accurate asset list for each site they survey. ACE also houses a recommendation library and a TM44 inspection library. This inspection library has clear, detailed answers and options selectable from the drop-down menus, making it very quick to record your TM44 inspection fields. Writing complex reports was always something of a challenge, but with ACE, the built-in generated text now eliminates most of that burden. The generated text uses pre-configured paragraphs with data extracted directly from the project. It is these paragraphs that then can be used to help build your exec summary. ACE also has a series of inbuilt database reports, allowing users to query data across not just a single project, but multiple reports for multiple clients. To find out more about ACE, why don't you pop into the booth and chat to one of my colleagues.